Today, we will try to get a basic idea about cloud computing and Microsoft Azure, a major cloud service provider. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mayank. I am a software developer, and on this channel, we explore the strategies and tools that are commonly used in DevOps. Please subscribe to this channel. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a model of computing in which shared resources, software, and information are delivered over the internet. Cloud computing enables businesses to access applications, data, and services from any device with an internet connection, eliminating the need for local hardware and software. It also allows businesses to scale up and down quickly as needed. So, why do you need cloud computing? Suppose being a developer, you have written some application and then you will try to deploy it in your local system. But there is a hardware limitation. In case you need to scale up, you need to add more resources. That means more capital investment and more time to get those resources and set it up. Here comes the cloud service, which you can use. So, the cloud service provider will have these resources and you can use them to deploy your services. And once you are done with it and you need to scale down, you can just remove the service and you don't need to pay for that resource anymore. Let's come to Azure. What is Microsoft Azure? It is a cloud computing platform and service created by Microsoft. It allows users to create, manage, and deploy applications and services through a global network of Microsoft managed data centers. Azure offers a wide range of services, including virtual machine, database, and more, making it a versatile platform for businesses and developers. So, what are the advantages of Azure? First, we have is the integration with Office 365 and Active Directory. Most of the businesses these days uses one or the other Microsoft service. So by using Azure, you will be able to integrate it with Office 365. If you already have a license of Windows Server or SQL Server, then you can save some amount while integrating with Azure. Azure allows you to either have on-premise setup or in the cloud, or you can have the hybrid model where you can divide your resources and keep some of it on-premise and others in the cloud. According to its website, 95% of Fortune 500 companies uses Azure. And another major advantage of Azure is it is available in 60 plus regions, which constitutes 140 countries. So, if we talk about the services that Azure provides, they are of manifold. So, as part of our video, since it is basic, we won't be going through all of it. We will try to cover some important aspects or some common services that are being used. So, first one is compute services. Azure Compute is a collection of services that allow businesses to create managed virtual machines, cloud services, and more. So, the major ones amongst the compute services are virtual machine. Azure virtual machines are the VMs that are hosted on Azure Cloud Platform. VMs provide businesses with a cost effective, scalable, and secure solution for hosting their applications, websites, and more. With Azure Virtual Machines, businesses can quickly and easily deploy and manage their application as well as scale up or down as needed. Additionally, Azure VMs are highly secure, allowing businesses to ensure that their data and applications are protected. Then we have container registry. So Azure allows you to store your Docker images to its own container registry, from which you can use it to deploy a direct Docker image as a container or in its Kubernetes service. Azure Kubernetes Service, known as AKS, is a managed service for deploying and managing containerized applications on Azure. AKS makes it easy to deploy manage, and scale containerized applications on Azure. It also provides advanced features like auto scaling, load balancing, and more. Then we have Service Fabric. Azure Service Fabric is a distributed system platform that makes it easy to package, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable microservices and containers. Service Fabric provides a range of features such as service discovery, health monitoring, automated deployment, and more. Azure Function is a serverless compute service that enables developer to easily run code on demand without managing the underlying infrastructure. Functions can be triggered by events from other Azure services such as Azure Storage, Azure Event Hubs, and Azure Cosmos DB, as well as on-premise and third-party services. Azure Functions support a range of languages including JavaScript, C Sharp, Python, and Java. And the last one is Azure Cloud Service. Using cloud, you can build web and cloud applications while maintaining high availability. It provides features like auto scalability, health monitoring, and load balancing. Next major category is networking. Azure Networking provides a range of services that allow businesses to securely connect with their resources, applications, and services. It includes services such as Azure CDN, Express Route, Virtual Network, and Azure DNS. So first of all, Azure CDN. It means Content Delivery Network. It is a service that helps businesses deliver their content quickly and reliably to their users. It accelerates the delivery of content by caching the content on servers located around the world. Then comes the virtual network. It is a service that allows businesses to securely connect their on premises resources to Azure. It provides a secure and isolated environment in which businesses can deploy their applications and services. Then comes the Express Route. Express Route is a private connection service that allows businesses to securely and reliably connect their on-premise resources to Azure. It provides fast and dedicated connection that is not subject to the same latency and packet loss as public internet connections. Then the Azure DNS. It is a service that allows businesses to host their DNS domains in Azure. It provides a reliable, secure, and highly available DNS service that can be used to host public and private DNS domains. If you have any question regarding any of the Azure service, ask me in the comment section. If you are finding this video helpful, press the like button. This will help me in reaching out more audience. Now let's move on to the storage category. Azure Storage provides a range of services that allow businesses to store and access data in the cloud. It includes services such as disk storage, blob storage, file storage, and queue storage. Disk storage. It is a service that provides highly durable, secure, and cost effective storage for virtual machines and other applications. It provides persistent disks that are stored in the cloud and can be accessed from anywhere. Blob storage is a service that allows businesses to store unstructured data, such as images, videos, audio, and documents. It provides a range of features such as replication and versioning that makes it easy to store and access data. File storage. It is a service that allows businesses to store structured data such as documents, spreadsheet, and databases. It provides a range of features such as replication and versioning that makes it easy to store and access data. Then comes the queue storage. Queue storage is a service that allows businesses to store messages that can be and processed by applications. It provides a reliable, secure, and cost effective solution for storing and accessing messages. As part of the introduction video, we will cover just these three categories. You can get started with Azure from the link in the description, and initially, you will be rewarded with free credits which you can use to create resources. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have learned something new. See you soon.